phone working? Fuck off. Damn! Got wet. Lucky your camera's waterproof. Yeah, I think this is what we deserve. This is what we deserve, yeah.
We're actually selling the water goddess the stuffed buffalo.
I never see that.
We're like being harsh on her, and yeah,
I was like,
thank you, Rito.
They washed away the crabs, and then I was like, fucking water. I was like that, and then the water just splashes us. And now they're gonna be wondering why we're wet. They'll be like, you guys didn't change, and you guys are wet. It'll be like that. So yeah, fucked hard. Say bye, Carmi. This is the end of our show. And end of.
This will be the last time, probably.
No, I don't know. No, probably there's gonna be one more video. So stay tuned. So watch more.